So for a long time, I didn't understand the importance of posture and movement. And then I saw one video and it became clear to me how important it is. And the reason is this. Our senses are highly developed, and the slightest movement of your mimics or your hands or your posture will have an effect on the audience, because they will notice whether you're shy or whether you're nervous or whether you're confident. Because our senses are so developed, we have to be careful about how we train ourselves to have the right composure on stage. Now, there's a few points I want to mention, and the first one is movement. We move a lot when we're nervous, and almost everybody is nervous on stage. So what you're aiming to do is precise movements and then composure. When you achieve that, you communicate to the audience that you're secure of yourself and that the points that you're making are definite and that are your beliefs. A second point is the way you face the audience and how you use your hands. What you want to do is you want to always face the audience with your face and never turn your back towards them, because we don't really trust people's back. We don't actually trust people's back of the hands either. So what you want to have is open hand position. This is important, and it builds the trust you need to convey your message and authentically communicate with the audience. A third important point is the position on the stage. So you want to make sure that you don't move too much. And it's understandable, because when we're nervous, we try to get rid of excess energy by moving. If you can communicate confidence through being in one position on the stage, that's when you build more trust with the audience in front of you.